This is my friend farm, guys. Here, this is their farm. I'm just waiting for her because she just get something. That's where their animals here. They have a pig there. That's where they live too. This is their farm here. Agante, dagan. Gablog ko.